A Nephilim spider joining the monsoon banquet. She's caught a tiger butterfly. And he is utterly toxic. Butterfly predators need to learn this.
System error. Shutting down.
Walk, don't run. Use the handrails. Walk, don't run. Use the handrails.
Neon Temple simulation reboot in progress. Live stream initiated. Stabilizing environment.
All right, well, hi, hey, hello, everybody that's not currently in the room. You guys are missing out. We are obviously here, if you can see behind us, for badge building with Artemis tonight. This is actually pretty good timing because you guys got to practice your soldering skills last week. So this should work out. You guys should have some help getting ready for the 502 summer camp next week, right? That's what we're doing, yeah. I don't know anymore. I'm just here, I'm a face figure. Quick updates for us. Hacker Summer Camp's coming up, so it's going to get a little quiet. Next week is the USF/502/ whoever else is involved summer camp happening, so a lot of us will be there all week. If you would like to participate and help out, they would love to have more of us around. Let us know. We'll get you out there, get you in front of these kids, let them see what it's like to do what we do. Just let us know whether that's Artemis here herself or Tremere or Fake J. They're kind of leading the way with this. Again, I'm just a figurehead at this point, so I don't know what's going on. Haha, not me this time. Next week, Thursday, for here, that's kind of like we're gonna see how it goes. We don't have a direct plan because of Cyber Camp eating up the whole week. If people would like to be here and hang out Thursday night, we can find something to do. If not, it'll probably just be an off week. And outside of that, I don't think there's much else going on. If you're going to Black Hat DEF CON, let us know in Discord. We do have a channel, we have a signal group so everyone can meet up and not get lost in the desert. Just let us know, we'll throw you in the channels and we'll start coordinating. We're looking at doing a couple events, dinners, stuff like that. So that is really all I have. So it is up to you now.
Awesome.
Have fun.
Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Badge Building with Artemis. This is the story and process of the USF CyberCon badge. You might be wondering how this project even came about. When thinking about the USF CyberCon this year, my boss had a great idea. He challenged me to come up with a badge for CyberCon all in the span of 3 months. And I thought that was a great idea. Here are the do's and don'ts of badge making in 3 months as a newbie. To make a badge, you have to start with a bit of research. What are your objectives and purpose for creating this badge? Does it need a certain functionality, or are you just creating one? And if that's the case, maybe you just need a couple LEDs. Take the time to figure out your parameters, research, and what is already out there and what parts you might already need. Once you know what you're making and have ordered your parts, it's time to breadboard it. This is an important step because it can save you time and money in the long run, and if you don't do it right, and money in the long run if you do it right. Breadboards help you connect the puzzle pieces together. It helps identify errors that you might find. Now it's time to KiCad it. In the beginning, this will be one of the most complex and difficult parts. However, when you're watching the 20 hours of YouTube videos on it and bugging Singer about it, it will become a breeze. The biggest challenge of KiCad is that there's not all the parts on it. It has specific modules that you'll have to download when creating your board. When you want to create holes for the lanyards, you're going to have to go down this long rabbit hole on Reddit to figure out how to do it. And then the second to last step is to print. Very simple, just need to upload to PCB and pay. Here is the final version of the badge. This is after 20 iterations on it. In doing this project, I realized that there are quite a few takeaways. Don't order the parts the week of. Don't work on this all night. You do need sleep. Make sure your breadboard layout actually works, and the most important is to trust yourself. Here are a couple of resources that helped me the most during this process. And I would also like to take this time to thank quite a few people. I like to thank my parents for helping me, to Singer and Fist for giving me the confidence, and to my team for being the support that I need. Any questions? Awesome. All right, let's get to soldering. So the process of this is we're going to give you guys all some PCB badges. We're going to also give you guys an ESP32, a switch, and an OLED, and a battery thing. And then we're going to go from there, and then we'll kind of cover that. So if you guys would like to help out. Yeah. Do you want to hand out all of these?
Yeah.
Hey. Huh? Yeah, if you want to pass out some of these. We're going to teach people how to solder.
Don't worry, we can teach you.
I don't matter.
And then we have a bunch of ESPs to hand out, so there's 2, so you can give them to like 2 to a group.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. If they want it, if they want more, yeah. Can you pass this to another person? There's like 2 in each pack.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's, yeah.
That's what you mean.
Yeah, you're good.
I'm not kidding. I'm like, what do you mean today?
Yeah, so there's 2 in each pack, so you're just gonna want to give them out to people who are soldering. Huh? Yeah, perfect.
Oh, there's only 2.
Oh.
Yeah. And then, yeah, you have,
we can split it?
you have 2 in your.
Oh, we've got to get already.
Yeah.
Justin, did you give
Okay, so this is the other fun part, is we have quite a few OLEDs,
Okay.
so you can give those out as well.
This one is taking out down.
And then here are a couple OLEDs to pass out to everyone too. Oh, and the switches, thanks. So, I think because these are so tiny, we'll give them out at the end, so we don't like lose. Yep,
Oh,
the battery packs. Yep.
that is going to be another table to pass it down. Just open the bag and then,
Yep. So, I'll use these to show what I mean by like the cutting.
Oh no! I just destroyed $1 million worth of infrastructure. That's what I did.
They'll have a bring bottle home. You know, I sit down in front of my computers and crack this thing open and go, oh my god, it's good. Go.
All right.
So
How many
that
people have
goes to
soldering?
one person.
Oh, there's not 2 in there?
There's 2 in here. But
Oh,
So
okay.
do I take one of these out and give it to one guy?
Give it to a guy with a friend.
And make it work off all the win. I don't care how long the wires
Actually,
are.
I think there's much. There's not.
I struggle to do the Ethernet cable.
There's not much wiring to this one, so there's no way I can mess this up.
You got this, Snowy. Okay, so a show of hands, how many of you guys have soldering machines? All right, cool. So if you guys don't, have a buddy. And how many of you guys have like little wire cutters as well? All right, awesome. So we're gonna have to share these. So the biggest thing about these badges is we're giving them to kids, so we don't want them to be sharp at all. So when we're gonna solder, we're gonna wanna cut the pins before, and then we're gonna solder over it. So be smart, don't cut it too short, but do cut it short so it solders over nicely. I recommend kind of starting with the battery pack because you'll see how short you need to go with it. Yeah, you good?
What did you solder and then cut?
Yes, well, I did that on this one, and they came out way sharper than the one that I cut and then soldered.
Oh, interesting.
So, because when you solder, it will go over the pin, so it's a lot.
Over it.
It's too complicated.
Because that's where the solder's going on the front.
So,
Wait. Come here. It's a pass one. Give it to somebody. Give the whole back to somebody. Tell them to take one, and then have them pass it down.
Okay. I think one more time.
Take one, pass it down.
Take one, pass it down.
you got it.
Why can't I just hand one to you?
Demir,
Why
that's
you
what
move
we're
on to
gonna be
do
for all
something
night.
else?
Okay, so the placement of all of these components, so everything goes on the back except for the OLED. The OLED will go on the front of the badge, and then everything goes on the back. You're gonna see the way with the ESP and the badge, it has this little indent out that kind of matches with the ESP here. So you're just gonna put that in there. The ESP is a little bit hard, so if you need help, just come up to me and I'll direct you to who can help out with that. And then, yeah, so any questions so far? Okay, awesome. All right, well, let's get to soldering. Oh, you don't have those? They missed you? Here you go. Yep. Yeah. Ouais, bon, on va faire tout ça.
Oh yeah, yeah. Go for it.
Your mother is
Yeah, there's the chairs and stuff. Yeah.
We will be talking about this when we get back into the end-all responsibility room.
What? Oh, how to pass things?
How to pass things out.
No, no.
It's a thing that your mother. It's a thing that your
Up
mother.
there.
Who wants a solder? I got soldering. I got soldering kit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give those out to people who
Who
want
wants
to.
a solder? You want a solder? You want solder? Here you
Not that I know how to do
Here you
it.
go.
go. You did last week.
No, I did not.
You didn't?
No.
Oh.
I took wires through the holes and twisted them.
Oh, that's right.
Now we're gonna have to go over how to solder.
Who wants a solder? I got one more thing.
Perfect. Thank you. I have a soldering thing right here.
Okay, cool.
So, for the people that don't have like a table, if you guys want to like bring a chair here, and then we can like solder here.
Anyone else want a solder? Yep. And I got one last solder kit. Anyone want a solder? You want a solder? Huh? I got one right here.
So the whole point of the soldering is to make sure that the pins are get covered and connected.
Right.
So you don't want them touching. So if they touch, they're like the metal. If it touches, you don't want them. No. they're so tiny that people might lose them.
No?
No.
This is my third time.
So like as you see here, it's sanded, which is why well here, that's the best.
Right.
They're not touching.
Oh, you mean the individual connections aren't
Yeah,
touching?
yeah, you don't want
Right,
them to.
right,
Yeah.
okay.
So I'm just saying because like that's been something that people have gone
I'll
through.
probably have a challenge.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fair enough.
The solder? Oh, no, I don't. I'm sorry. You're going to share with him?
So yeah. If you want, this is the example. I can leave it here with you guys if you want to see it.
Yeah, that's an
Yeah, I can pull up the picture online, but I don't know if you'll see it as like in depth. But yeah, I can. Yeah, if you want to take a picture and pass it around, just tell people to take a picture and pass it.
Look, I just got this.
Actually, I have 2 soldering lessons from Jacob. Chill.
So I got this like a month ago, and then I got flung into.
Okay. Do you guys want to pull up a chair here and then we can solder? Oh. Okay, okay, okay. What?
I think it's like 325.
I have to hold this while it heats up. I don't have a stand.
Yeah, me neither. Do you want my blue mat?
Yeah, I'm gonna steal it off of you. Is it okay? Don't you need it?
Well, I'm gonna help out
Okay.
until we see that everyone. You have wire cutters?
Yeah, I do.
Cool. Let me get my extra ones. Do you guys have wire cutters?
Oh,
Do you have wire? Okay.
Oh,
Wait, aren't you supposed to be in France?
So I sold those tickets, but after Cyber Camp, I'm going to Paris for archery, so I'll be watching that. So yeah, I'll be there soon, but I'll be staying in Paris, so I'll be in the.
Don't fly through Germany.
No, Frankfurt.
I just did
Worst.
that. Yeah. I just did that, and then I had to take a train to Brussels, and then a train to Munich, and then a train to Zurich, and then a train back to Belgium, and eventually a plane to Barcelona. It was awesome.
What did you fly?
Lufthansa.
The worst.
I have so many photos of the Lufthansa buffet from all the hotels I stayed at. It was fun.
It was.
Crazy.
That's good.
I'll fly business class, so
Yeah.
it's great when people
So the-
try to treat you nice.
Only thing is flip the OLED onto the other side. Yep.
got it.
Yep. That's the only thing.
Okay.
Really?
Yep.
Did it.
Such a screw up.
I know,
So.
right?
I kind of want to.
Yep. Do you guys need help? Okay. So only thing, everything goes on the back except for this OLED that will be facing. Thank you.
I kind of want to leave it for my nephew.
What?
To solder with.
Oh. Well, we have extras. We have a bunch of extras, so I'm hoping that people are gonna love soldering after this and want to help us with the other, 100 that we have. So. Okay, I'm gonna go see who needs wire cutters. You got it. Okay. Hey, Alex. So as things come to you, I have batteries. We don't have enough batteries.
I got a flash roll.
You don't have to do it all. You can send me the code, but if you can make sure that it works, just
It does.
yeah, but with a couple of the other ones. But just send it to me and I can flash. If you can just do a good part of it, that'll help out.
Okay. The issue
All right,
is,
awesome.
Trevor was talking about having like a games, which I haven't. Like he wants
Okay.
but I haven't implemented that. Jake's just in a couple.
Okay.
So I could just like wait a day and then I don't know. I could just take some fun and flash over.
Yeah.
Or we could just flash these or not to do. There's no way to update.
Yeah. Not right now.
At least
Okay. All right. Keep me updated.
do you want me to take some?
Yeah. If you would like to take a photo of it so that you have reference of where everything goes.
Good job.
Thank you. Yep. That's the most important.
Awesome.
Yep.
Thank you.
We may, as they're going, I'll give them switches because they're so tiny. They don't have a place to put everything and stuff. So. Ah, merde. Ok, ouais, vas-y. Do you need anything? You're good? Okay. Yep. So the LED is the only thing that goes on the front, right there. Yeah. And then I'm gonna give you a switch. I wasn't gonna give them out right away. So flip it. They're gonna hang off. Here. Do you want to take a picture? This is the reference.
Oh, you mean like that?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
We were supposed to like draw on like a lanyard, like he was wearing the badge, but it got a little time crunch. Yep. Do you need wire cutters? You have everything?
I have wire cutters.
All right, cool. All right, let me know if you need anything. Okay.
That, and then we put that in here like that.
You good?
Well, that's something.
Here. Oh, do you want to pull up a chair and I can show you how to solder? We'll find you a chair.
Maybe we gotta do that last.
Well, there's some back there. That's why I'm asking. Yeah. Do you mind grabbing her a chair?
Yeah.
Or maybe I'll give her this one, and then you want to grab another one? Thanks. Here you go. Let me go onto the other side to get everything hooked up. Does anyone else need a picture for reference? Okay, cool.
Hold on. Captain?
Here, you guys can
Oh, we're
hold.
dangling it?
You're gonna pick up my phone. Pick it up. Pick it up. You're going to turn on my phone. And you are going to take a photo of the thing.
The badge is right over
Of the
there.
badge. You're going to take a photo of the badge.
All right. Are you guys cutting the floor?
I cut it, yeah, but
Awesome.
I don't think I cut it short enough.
That's fine. As long as you get the solder over it, you're gonna be good.
Yeah. I mean, these are like.
Okay. Let me pass out.
Replace one head with another. We're doing
Where are my sponges? There you go.
That was fine. Okay. As long as I can see where.
Does anyone need a sponge? Do you guys need sponges?
After 20 years of not doing this, does it look okay? I've never done it.
Yeah.
It's been literally 20 years since I've done this.
Yeah. If you can like go over it and it feels like it's not sharp, that's good. Yeah. You just want to cover it, just because we're giving it to kids. We don't want them to hurt themselves. Excuse me. Sorry. Do you guys need a sponge to like wipe off the metal? You got one? Okay. Do you guys need sponge?
No, yeah.
Do you know it to wipe off the?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Actually,
Here. There you go.
You could unplug the microwave.
Where's the actual solder in this kit? Or are we just?
Do you guys don't have a? Oh, that's the soldering machine.
Right.
And then the solder is that little blue thing.
This thing?
Yeah. So you're gonna take that out, and that's what you're gonna
Oh,
use.
I thought it was a screw. I thought it was a spring.
No.
Oh, okay. Looks like a spring. Trying to make this a comedy of errors. There we go.
So that's for if you need to desolder. But this little thing right here is a sponge. If you want another one, this is also a sponge. You just need to wet it. And then when you're like, if you have too many metals to clean your solder, that's how you'll clean it. It's just, so you're gonna wanna wet that.
You
Yeah.
wanted to like snip these too? That's what you
Yeah.
wanted? Okay, got it.
Yep.
Alright, cool.
I know it's complicated, making you guys do a lot of labor. It is.
How short do I cut these?
As short as possible without like, here, I'll show you. Oh.
I just took it to get a picture.
Oh, okay. I was like, you don't want to solder? So, my recommendation, you can actually go pretty short with them. I just like to go a little bit above, just so that, like, you're gonna have to like hold it. Ooh, there you go, like that. See how it's still out there, but you can probably go a little shorter. But when you're soldering, you're gonna want to bring the solder over, kind of cover it, so that it's not like, if you feel it's kind of sharp.
Got it.
So that's kind of how, and then.
Do I have this set up correctly?
Yes. What is that one? Oh, ice.
Yeah.
Do you want this one? I can wet it for you.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So yeah, that's how kind of short you want to get them. And see, this one's kind of short, but it's touching. So you're just gonna want to make sure you press down on it when you're soldering over this.
To keep it on this side.
Yep. And then the ESP pins are kind of already like touching. So you're not going to have to, you can cut them as short as you want with those.
Okay.
So yeah.
Is there any preference for what will I do?
Okay, so on the back you'll see how, this is probably, I like soldering this one the easiest because it kind of gives me like a level there.
Yeah.
But the ESP, you see how there's that little like rectangle? You're going to want to match that.
Yeah, I see the USB-C is going up towards where your fingers are at.
Exactly.
And then this is the PCB
Yep.
at the bottom.
And then there's going to be a switch right here. I'm going to pass that out in a short moment, but you're going to want to put that on the back as well.
Okay.
Yep.
And this is the solder you want us to use?
Is it good if it doesn't go all the way through?
Preferably if you can get it to go all the way through would be the best. Yeah, thank you.
And this is the solder you want?
Yeah, that's the solder. So I'll go ahead and wet the sponge for you real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll be there.
So safety concern.
Uh-oh.
Well, I mean, is it hot? Is it not hot? How do we tell? Without touching it.
Try licking it.
I don't like it.
Here.
Well, there was a switch. Because there was a switch, so that's on.
That's on, yeah.
That's
So
on, okay.
it's probably gonna take a second.
Okay.
So.
And I see a gauge and a.
Yeah. So let's see, what temperature do you have it at? Set already. Well, is it on this thing?
Yeah, it's on. That's
Okay.
plugged in.
I guess the light maybe is on.
This one?
Well, it's like cold. So.
Yeah, it's plugged into. We're daisy chained off of somebody else's plug, off of somebody else's extension cord.
Okay. Well, I don't think it's on because like you can touch it and it's not warm, and it's and you see that that should have like a light. Wait.
Maybe the other way.
I don't think it's, no, I don't think your power source is on.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, there we go. So let's flip it back the other way now.
There we go. Now the light is like a lot brighter.
Oh, now we see the light.
So it's gonna get hot, and now you're not gonna want to touch it.
Okay.
But all right.
Yep,
that's good.
That's
All
what
right,
we're afraid of. We don't see no light.
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you saying we have to cook those first and then?
Yeah, you're gonna want to cut and then solder. So you can actually go pretty short on them. The shortest ones that you should go, like, make sure, yeah, that's a good one. The shortest that you can go on is on the ESP because they're already touching the other pins, so you don't actually need to solder it, but you need to solder it because it looks better that way. But I'll be right back. Okay.
That's probably lead free, so I don't know.
Okay. You know what we're supposed to
I never use
Uh,
lead. So
250, 300 has
So
worked really well for me.
but that's
And then
lead free.
here's
I'm
a
pretty
sponge
that's
for you.
lead-free solder, so that you're probably gonna need to be. It's probably gonna be hotter.
Huh?
That's lead free. So I'm pretty sure that's lead free solder.
So it needs to be hotter?
Hotter.
Okay, so hot. Hotter than.
So I'm usually I do like so with 60-40 lead solder I do 325 340.
Okay.
We're probably gonna need closer to like 360 or so.
Okay. You always turn that.
All right. Yep. I'm good.
Okay.
Looks awesome. How's it going over here?
Yeah, I'm just good. I just, you think that's good? I'm just trying to make sure. I know it is attached, but I'm trying
Yeah.
to make sure that it's like that.
There you go.
No, I meant like the battery.
Yeah, the battery.
I
Oh,
didn't-
the
I
battery
didn't come
pack?
to PCBs.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if it's soldered on. It's hard to see.
It's soldered on. It is a little wiggly, but that's just because it needs to be glued down. But we didn't have time to do that.
Yeah, I was looking at the bottom. I'm like, this
yeah.
isn't gonna attach it on there.
Yeah. No, it looks good. Yeah, that looks good. Yep.
We don't exactly don't know how to solder.
That's fine. All right, give me a couple minutes. All right, I'm just making sure everyone's putting them all in the right direction.
What?
Making sure everything's, yep, good.
There we go.
Yeah.
Now it's up.
It might be easier to put it on first.
I thought that, but it wouldn't go on.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, you have to,
Do you have any tips to get it on?
My dad, he's the one who helped me out. He's over there. I can go give it to him if you need.
I think I'm. Damn, I wish I had a file. Actually, like doing 3 of them.
Yeah, I tried sanding it and it did not help, honestly. Why, can I see what happened?
No, it was just like really bumpy.
Oh, that's fine. It just needs to be smooth, like no sharpness. Okay.
not cutting.
We good. Okay, let's do this real quick. All right. You got it short? Perfect. Let's see. It's probably hot. Do you mind going and wetting this for me in the bathroom real quick? So he said that it needs to be hotter for the lead-free stuff. So it needs to be around like the 350. Where's it? Where is it? Where's the little... Where's the solder? Oh, you were hiding it from me. Okay. So you can go ahead and put the solder thing right here, or the sponge right there. So you see the sizzle?
Yeah.
All right, good. So you guys are going to take this and kind of press it against it to kind of make that bubble there. And then you're going to want to kind of bring that over. Yeah, everyone's stuck here, so they can solder more than just one. Are you ready for the switch? All right, I'll give it to you. So, see how that looks? It's smooth, it's over, and everything's connected.
Yeah.
Your turn, Demir. You do it.
All right, I got that.
All right, I'm gonna go grab the switch. And then when it feels like there's getting too much metal on it, it's hard to solder. Just sort it off.
And then on the other side of things, it's just like
Here's a switch for you. That can go anyway. It doesn't matter. Excuse me. Here you.
Switch thing.
Yep. Yes.
Switches?
Yep. So it's gonna go on the back. Yeah. I put it right there. All right, and then here's one for you too. Do you want to switch?
Does the position matter?
No.
Oh, you thought you was done. You were
thought
done.
I was
Oh, you were
done.
done,
No.
Derek. Come on, man.
We got
You're done.
150, so keep grabbing.
Like this in the back, right?
Yeah, that looks good.
How many were you doing?
Yeah, cover your eyes.
exactly.
Okay, cool.
I'm sick of this.
Huh?
Yeah.
What?
It is nice.
Excuse me.
For a while I was.
I have had a soldering iron.
So there is a last part for the badges. It's a switch. It's gonna go on the other side.
Yes, right here.
Yep. It can go any way. So, yep. All right. Switch time. So you guys thought you were done. You're not. So here's a little switch. It's gonna go on the back of the board with all the other components. So yeah. All right. Awesome. Okay. You're not soldering, Rob? No. We need the help. Oh no. Okay, you could do that.
We had to first cut them and then we had to solder.
Yes.
These ones.
Yep. Just start snipping away. Let's see. Looks good. Yep. Just start get them as short as possible because those ones are actually already on, so you should be good. Okay.
Wait, they're already on?
Yeah, they're already touching, but we have to solder them to make them look good.
Okay.
So here's the switch that's going to go on the other side right here with the 3 pins.
And then we cut it and then solder it.
I'll wait to get more switches. Okay. I think everyone's getting it under control. Okay. Do you want a soldering machine? Okay.
I could just work with.
You want to work? Okay, I can give you another one. Here, I'll give you another one just so that you have one. So here's my soldering machine and wire. So there you go. Yeah, you're good. Good. So, I'll get you or do you have a sponge over there? Yeah, you have a sponge over there. See it?
This has to be clipped too.
Huh? Yeah, clip it all.
Okay.
Yeah, so just have Vanya plug it in, and then you can do it right here. Noe has my rubber mat, so just make sure it doesn't touch the thing.
We got more plug spots here.
Yeah, perfect. So yeah, just make sure that the solder here doesn't touch the wood and stuff. Yeah. Right. I'm gonna go ahead and put this right here for you guys. Right there. Oh, right down there. So you have it. Okay, I'm gonna give people more things.
Wait, this isn't going
everywhere. Yeah, Bud's over here. I'm pointing it. Just be careful with that plug. Don't know that one.
I have to bother you.
It's assembly line over
It's an assembly line? All right.
You gotta do this. Go ahead. You go ahead.
I think you got it. I think you got it.
I'll do it. You
All right.
want to use it? Or
No, I'm giving you more.
Okay. We are getting the crowd.
Yeah, I mean, you guys are my fastest production people, so yep, you're gonna. All right, come on, here you go. I'll give you the rest of this. Little.
And you want us to trim these?
Yeah. Yeah. Do you want me to give you the mic back?
You think you're done
Talking? Yeah.
We could probably cut the stream then, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it's just showing things.
he went to go get something to eat. I don't think he's back.
Vanya, we're gonna cut the stream. Just letting you know.
I didn't know we were still streaming.
Uh-oh, you did not.
I did my best.
Okay, what do I say?
Let's give you...
Hey.
Just give me this guy.
Okay. Do you want to turn this one off?
Yeah, you can. In fact, you don't even have to go up there. Just kind of like stand right in front of everybody here.
Okay.
And then just say, hey, we're going to cut the stream. If you have any questions, just hit us up on Discord or hit me up on
Perfect.
Discord.
Right.
And then we'll see you at CyberCamp.
Yep. I think right here. Vanya, I'm going to sports broadcast you. All right, everyone, we're going to cut the stream now. Thank you so much, and if you have any questions, you can feel free to ping me, Artemis, on the Discord. Thank you, guys, and we'll see you all at CyberCamp next week.
It's time to say goodbye. What it means to say